respectable Ms. Sofa as the supervisor of success meeting, Honorable Sister Sadia, the chief of success meeting, unforgettable all my friends whom I love. Firstly, let's pray and thank unto our God, the most gracious and the most merciful, because His blessing and mercies we can enter and gather in this nice meeting without any troubles and obstacles. Secondly, salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness, from stupidity to the cleverness, namely Islam, religion, and love. Thirdly, I never forget to say thank you very much to the MC who have given me time to deliver my speech under the title Hiking, a Journey of Nature and Life. Okay? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
And before start my speech, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fedora.A.P. You can call me Fedora. I'm from Joyfull class. So, in this opportunity, I would like to tell you about my favorite activity. I am the big fan of hiking, but do you know what hiking is? Basically, hiking is walking, but what makes it different is you not walking in the front of the street, but walking in the nature or mountain track. This activity is not only make body healthier, but also can reduce stress, relax, and we can grateful of what God has given. Moreover, we can learn how to survive in forest, training solidarity and teamwork, because when we are on the journey, we often help and supporting each other. So, we can get in the top or something together. But because we are in the nature, we must preserve nature by not littering. And my experience of hiking a mountain is very enjoyable because we can have fun with our friends while enjoying the beauty of nature. And I am also giving some items that are necessary to bring for hiking. Don't forget to bring food, drinks, a jacket, emergency blanket, a raincoat, medicine, and hiking shoes. Because all of those things are very important for us. And before we go hiking, we should do a little exercise such as jogging. So that when we are already on top and of the track, injuries don't happen. The injuries usually take the form of cracks in the thighs or legs. That is why before hiking, we have to prepare ourselves so that unwanted things don't happen. And my last message, we hike to enjoy the beauty of nature, not for an MDPL station. Remember, but coming down safely is a must. That's all my speech. If you have found many mistakes in my speech, please forgive me. Thank you very much for your attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.